guys, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. It really means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.
Good morning and welcome back, guys. Second day, Niagara Falls, and today we are going to be taking the boat ride over to the falls and going through the mist. So let's go, guys. Niagara City cruise. Awesome, awesome. And then here is the self-serve boat tickets to go on the boats that will take you right up to the falls and get you all misted. Let's go. Oh, look at that view right there. Here we go, guys. Woo!
Keep walking, guys. Have fun.
Thank you. Don't go on when it's already full, so you get the best view if you can. There's a few people here in line, but we should be able to get a decent view. To the right, to the right. Yep. Dicky. Kids. Canada. On another epic adventure.
Justin, how many gallons is that? 1, 2.
Gotta get. What's up? Woo! Do you call this a hurricane? You'll have to do better than this. Yeah, worth it?
Yeah. I really recommend this. If it's really hot, then do this. It cools you down so much.
Agree?
A little wet.
You get just a little wet on this one.
Just a little. Not like last time.
All right, guys. We're here in Niagara Falls. And I got my little intern right here, vlogger. So make sure you keep following her as she grows and turns into the next sensational vlogger.
What's up?
Check it out. check it out, roaring baby Niagara Falls.
He's like hanging like this. He goes, "Oh, I like birds." You just called him cute. Call him cute. And then he touches his hand. He goes, to the middle of it.
Mondo's getting it all on camera.
Do you know how many times I read? Do you know how many times I finally do like this?
That was just us, guys. Just got done. Now we're gonna go behind the falls and behind the Horseshoe Falls and check that out. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, perfect timing. All right, guys, here we go. Behind the falls. We were just right there behind the falls. Oh man, beautiful views out here.